Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you guys how to remodel your leftover white rice to this colorful fried rice. If you're interested in this video, keep on watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile, but I've known you too long.
For this recipe I have carrots, purple cabbage, white cabbage, runner beans, fried egg, boiled sausage, sweet corn, onion, oil, the leftover rice, soy sauce and oyster sauce. I also have bouillon cube, thyme, curry and salt to taste. That's all I'll be using for this recipe.
All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way.
In a pot I'm adding vegetable oil. I want to fry the rice. I also add curry and thyme to season it, then I'll fry the rice.
Such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
I just added salt to taste, stir everything together, cover and allow to fry for like 2 to 5 minutes.
As you fade away.
After 3 minutes of frying, I'll take the rice off the heat. In the same pot, I'm adding vegetable oil. I also add onion and season it. I'm seasoning with thyme and curry.
But I know you can't tell, like nothing I found. My mind overwhelms, I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Like nothing I found, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
So guys, this is the finished look. If you have some leftover rice in your fridge, bring it out and try out this recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and find it really helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for coming back. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.